This is a passcard file from RoboForm. It stores encrypted login credentials. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's unlock it. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional RFP file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. An RFP file is associated with RoboForm and ReFlow. These files contain data specific to these applications, potentially including form data, passwords, or other application-related information. The exact structure and content of an RFP file depend on how RoboForm and ReFlow utilize it for storing and managing user data or application settings. The internal structure of an RFP file is proprietary to RoboForm and ReFlow. Reverse engineering or unauthorized access may be restricted. The file format is designed for efficient storage and retrieval of application-specific data, ensuring data integrity and security within the RoboForm and ReFlow environment. The specialized program designed to handle RFP is RoboForm by Cybersystems. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows provides only limited attributes, so meaningful interpretation depends on the appropriate software. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your RFP file and choose Open With. Test RoboForm first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. If you still can't open the RFP file, it's okay. Dealing with a truly persistent RFP file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, use RoboForm. Open the file using RoboForm, the required application for the password file. Next, provide master password. You must provide the correct master password to decrypt and access the contents. Finally, check version. Ensure your RoboForm version is compatible with the version that created the file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.